Alright guys, I'm cleaning out the goat area, and as you can see, I got me a big old pile so far. I'm going to dig all this out, put fresh bedding in, and then I'm going to put it over there in the goat food forest bed. And you can see I got this all built up for them. There's their trough, some green growing. We moved them over there. I don't think you can see them on the other side of the... there you go. I put, there's the cat. And there's the goats. There's Beaner. But there's all kinds of sprouts over there. So there's their water tote. Clean out I cleaned out their water thing. So just a lot of upkeep. Keep them happy and healthy. We'll clean out the cracks for ventilation. That's all filled in. So in the winter they're warm. I'll be back later with another video.